Hey guys, let's discuss this system of nonlinear equations for x and y. Since both of these two expressions are equal to 1, we can start with this equation of the two expressions. Rearrange these two terms, extract these common factors. Apply the identity for the difference of squares. Multiply like bases. Divide both sides by this non-zero factor, since it is equal to 0 only when both x and y are equal to 0, which contradicts that original system of nonlinear equations. Take the square root of both sides. Rearrange this term. Square both sides. Substitute this equation into either one of those two nonlinear equations. Combine like terms. Divide both sides by this factor. Square both sides and take the cube root of both sides to get our result. Alright guys, that's the end. Thanks for your attention. I'll see you next time.